Maize genesis was involved from West Coast and Central Africa, where it is grown in the wild and later was developed into an agricultural crop. It was introduced to Malaysia, then Malaya by the British in early 1870 as an ornamental plant. Oil palm requires evenly distributed annual rainfall of 2000 mm without a defined dry season. In areas with dry spell, a deep soil with high water holding capacity and a shallow water table, augmented with copious irrigation, will satisfy the water requirement of the palm. Since 1983, when the last edition was published, there have been important new developments in crop husbandry methods as well as an increasing awareness of political and ecological pressures. These pressures has resulted in considerable change in crop husbandry, and the new edition reflects this change by updating all chapters and by including new sections on combinable crops, organic farming, and nitrogen leaching. want to show you how the process of oil palm will end up become an oil. So let's watch this video.
This is where oil palm trees are planted. They are perennial plants capable of growing up to 60 meters high, bearing fruits in bunches all year long. These fruits are called fresh fruit bunches or FFBs. Within each fruit are the palm kernel and the mesocarp. The palm kernel produces palm kernel oil, while the mesocarp gives palm oil. When these FFBs are harvested, they require urgent transportation to the mill. Using lorries or goods train, FFBs are transported within 24 hours to ensure that the highest quality of oil is produced. Once at the mill, a grading process takes place to identify the good ones and separate them from the unripe, rotten or overripe bunches. The selected FFBs then go through sterilization using a saturated steam gauge in large pressure vessels or cages. Here, almost all fruits are softened and detached from the bunch. They are then placed in a rotating drum to dislodge sterilized fruits through gaps between the bars, while the empty bunch is discharged from the other end. These soft fruits are turned into a homogeneous oil mash in a digester and screw press, from which crude palm oil is extracted and purified continuously through a vibrating screen, clarifier and purifier. Crude palm oil has an intense orange color due to the natural high levels of vitamin A and E. The oil has antioxidant properties and promotes high-density lipoprotein or HDL, which is the good cholesterol in our body. But in this state, the crude palm oil is neither in edible form nor ready to be used, even in non-food products. It does need further processing before it can be used.